This is Jackie with Scarf Art. Welcome to the Scarf Art channel, all things scarves. Today we're going to check out some Memorial Day scarves. This particular one is a very large scarf. It's in a red, white, and blue motif for the most part. So basically we're going to make this one into a scarf vest because it's a pretty big scarf. So all you do, ladies, is put this together here, right? And then what you're going to do is take all the pieces together, the square, bring it together in the middle. You're going to make a really small knot here and make a small knot there. And you've got a scarf vest. So all you do is open it up here, right? And you've got a scarf vest to wear with your tanks and your jeans or a t-shirt like what I have on and your red, white, and blue. You are ready for Memorial Day with some Bermuda shorts or with some jean shorts or with a romper or with a sundress. Would be really cute as well. You can wear this scarf like that. Or you can also take this scarf, for the most part, you can take it, and if you want to make it into not really a halter, but if you want to make it a shorter top, you can always take this up, right, and you can tie it in front, and I would put a tank up under it here. And if your waist is small enough, then you can also take this and you can wrap it around your waist. You can just take it there and then just wrap it back around your waist, or you can just take it and instead of having the two streamers in front, you can just take it, do it like that, and just tie it twice, right here, and then just bring it in. Just make a knot out of it. Do it like that. So just a couple of ideas for you for your Memorial Day festivities. Again, you can find this particular scarf on our website, scarf-art.com. It'll be in the description below, and you can just click on the link if you're interested. If you'll leave me comments, ladies, let me know if you liked the video, if you need more suggestions on this type of scarf and how to wear it and what to wear it with. If you'll just leave your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. And also, please subscribe to our channel. We'll have everything related to scarves, everything about scarves, pre-tied scarves, untied scarves, how to wear scarves with your outfits for different occasions and things like that. So that is pretty much the topic, the gist of our channel are scarves. We're Scarf Art. So thank you so much for checking us out today, and don't forget to hit the button and subscribe.